Hello students, this video is related to the chapter push and pull. Pushing and pulling of any object is called force. Push a table across the room. Now pull it back to its original place. Let us see what all happened when you moved the table. You used force of your muscles first to push and then to pull the table. If the table was light, you used less force. If the table was heavy, the force you used was greater. Force. A force is a push or pull. Each time we push or pull something, we use a force. Let us learn more about force. Force can move things. Nothing can move without being pushed or pulled. Force can stop things from moving. If you push a table and your friend does not want it moved, what will she do? She will try to push the table back to stop it from moving. If she succeeds, she will also have used muscular force, this time to stop something from moving. Similarly, a goalkeeper applies force to stop a ball from entering the goal. When more energy is used, a bigger force is created. A bigger force can be used to do more work. A force has direction. While pushing the table, you used force in one direction. Your friend who stopped the table from moving used force in another direction. In the pictures, the arrow shows the direction of the force being used. A force can change the speed of a moving object. If you are pushing a table with the same force, it moves at same speed. If you reduce the force, the table will move slowly, and if you increase the force, the speed of the moving table will increase. The force can change the shape. Take some dough and apply force with your fingers. You can change the shape of the dough by applying force. Similarly, a rubber band can be stretched by applying force. When you stop applying force, the rubber band comes to its original shape. Apply some forces to press a can of the juice or a balloon. When you stop applying the force, its shape will remain the change. By applying force, an object may change its shape permanently, as in the case of the can. Types of forces. There are many types of forces help us to do things in our daily life. Muscular force. The force we apply with our muscles to push or pull is the muscular force. For example, we apply force to open the lid of a bottle, to cut a vegetable, to squeeze a lemon. The force can stop a moving object. It can change the direction. The force can stop a moving object also. A force can increase or decrease the motion of an object. Roll a ball on the grass. It will stop after a while. This is because of the contact of ball with the grass and the air particles. The grass and the air will first slow down the ball and then stop it. They apply force on the moving object. The first reduce the speed and then stop it. This is the frictional force or force of friction. A force can increase or decrease the motion of an object also. Gravitational force. The earth acts like a huge magnet. It attracts everything towards it. If you throw a ball up, it comes down on the earth because of the force of the earth called gravitational force or the gravity. Types of forces: muscular force, gravitational force, magnetic force and the frictional force. Magnetic force. A magnet can also has a force attract things made of iron towards it. Now the muscular force, the force we apply with our muscles to push or pull is the muscular force. For example, we are applying the force to open the lid. Now different types of the forces like muscular forces, pulling, squeezing, etc. Gravitational force, the earth acts like a huge magnet, it attracts everything towards it. If you throw something, it comes down on the earth because of the force of gravitation or gravitational force and the gravity. It pulls everything towards its center. Trees can also hold up firmly with the help of this gravitational force, as well as all the weights that comes down on the earth with the help of the gravitational force or the gravity. Now the magnetic force. A magnet also has the force to attract things made of iron towards it. This is called the magnetic force. Iron, steel, nickel, they can be attracted by the magnet and are called magnetic objects. Every magnet has north and south pole. Either it is very small part of the magnet, north and south pole. You can say unlike poles attract each other and same type of poles, or the like poles, they repel each other. Frictional force. Frictional force is the force that stops a moving object, is called the frictional force. Because of the frictional force only we can walk, we can do the bicycling, or the vehicles can be run on the road. It will stop after a while. This is because of the contact of the object with the road. The air will first slow down and then stop it. Roll a ball on the road. It will stop after a while. This is because of the contact of the ball with the road and the air particles. Children, now you know that the force of the gravity accelerates everything at the same rate regardless of the weight. If you drop a ball of the same size but different weights from a rooftop, they will hit the ground at the same time. Types of the forces already we have discussed, like the muscular forces, frictional forces, gravitational forces, magnetic forces, electrical force, moving air and moving water also. In some parts of India where there are the forests and the small rivers, big logs of the wood when cut from the forest are put into the river. The wood goes with the flow of the water and is collected at a distance. A push or pull is called the force. A force can move an object, stop a moving object.